Hey, I'm Aubrey from Aubrey Originals. Today I am unboxing the Expressions Vinyl July 2021 mystery box, giving you my honest review of it and also comparing it to Cricut Mystery Boxes. I've purchased a lot of Cricut Mystery Boxes in the last 6 months, but I wanted to give the Expressions Vinyl mystery box a shot because I've purchased vinyl from them in the past and loved the quality, so I was curious about this. Real quick, please like and subscribe. It helps my channel so much. Also, check the description box below for more details and important links to blog posts, etc. The first thing I love about the Expressions Vinyl Mystery Box is that it's a subscription. So, every other month you're automatically sent the mystery box. There's no fighting anyone over it or frantically trying to add it to your cart before it sells out. So a totally different experience than the Cricut mystery boxes. Also, my budget very much appreciates that it's not every month or even multiple times a month like Cricut mystery boxes sometimes are. The Expressions Vinyl mystery boxes cost $39.99 and they always ship free. Your card is charged with each box, so it's not like you have to purchase multiple at a time, and you can also cancel your subscription at any time. I don't believe you can use any additional coupons on the subscription though. In comparison, Cricut mystery boxes are either priced at $39.99 or $49.99 usually, and the $49.99 ones being the ones that include a Cricut cutie. Something that the Expressions Vinyl mystery box obviously doesn't ever have. My very first impression of this box was that it was tiny because I'm used to the bigger Cricut ones. But you have to remember Cricut vinyl comes on a roll, so that's a lot of empty space in the box, whereas this vinyl comes flat. And if I had to choose, I far prefer it be flat because then you're not fighting curled up vinyl when you go to use it. I actually like how thin this box is because it also makes a great storage box. Another awesome thing about this box is that you get an almost even amount of adhesive vinyl to heat transfer vinyl. So there are 2 packs and a list of contents that goes with each. And also on that sheet, there's cut and application instructions for both Cricut and Silhouette, which is amazing. So let's open this and see what we think. First, the HTV. We've got Sizer Easy Weed in lemon yellow. Easy Weed is actually probably my favorite heat transfer vinyl to work with. We've also got it in orange soda. Then Sizer Easy Weed Stretch in ballerina pink. The color looks kind of flat in the video, but it's actually a very pretty pastel pink. Then Sizer Easy Weed Electric in blue. Sizer Strip Flock Pro in light pink. Ooh, this is fun. So Strip Flock is a textured vinyl, kind of like suede, which is going to be so fun with some of the cut files that came in this mystery box, and I will get to that later. Next, we have 2 patterned HTV prints. This is the retro rainbow pattern and the retro floral. Both of these were designed by Alexis from Persia Lou. She's the blogger who partnered with Expressions Vinyl to create this whole box, actually. So everything coordinates really well. Next, we'll open our pack of adhesive vinyl. All of these vinyls are permanent, which I'm totally fine with because I use permanent way more than removable vinyl. We have Oracal 651 in gentian. I love Oracal vinyl. We have PSV in cherry blossom pink. Oracal 651 in matte black. I love the matte. PSV in coral reef. Glitter in seafoam green. I wish you could see this in person. It is so pretty. This is color changing cold blue. Okay, this is amazing and I can't wait to try this on a cup or something because the frosted color should change to blue when it gets cold. I'll definitely make a video or at least an Instagram reel when I do that. Next, we have opal vinyl in pink. This is also amazing. I'm sorry, but this wins over any of the holographic vinyl I've gotten from Cricut. It is so pretty. Next, we have the same patterns from Persia Lou, just in permanent adhesive. Love both of these, and you can see how much more vibrant those colors are without the carrier sheet. Finally, 2 sheets of transfer tape. I am very interested in trying this out because I have been less than thrilled with Cricut transfer tape, which is pretty cheap and tears very easily. The second half of the Expressions Vinyl Mystery Box is a set of cut files that gets emailed out to you to whatever email you signed up for the subscription with. I received the email the same day I received the box of vinyl actually, but it may come before or after that for you. This is different from Cricut Mystery Boxes in that the regular vinyl mystery box is combined with the digital here. Cricut does offer a digital mystery box occasionally, maybe every other month, and it's only digital files for the price of either $29.99 or $39.99. If that seems expensive compared to the Expressions Vinyl Mystery Box, it's really not because you get way more images than come in the Expressions Vinyl box. I've already downloaded all the images to my computer, which, by the way, for some reason I had a hard time downloading the zip file and the email, but once I switched from Chrome to Safari, I was able to download it. So try that if you're having issues. Also, check your promotions folder if you don't see it in your main email inbox. I've also already uploaded the images one by one into Cricut Design Space. I just chose the SVG files to upload, even though several formats are included. As I was uploading, I added tags to the images. I added an Expressions Vinyl tag and Persia Lou. That way I can easily search either of those, filter by uploaded, and find the entire set in one glance. 20 unique cut images from Persia Lou came with this mystery box, and some of them have some different variations, so that's why you see 29 total cut files here. And look how fun these are. Alexis at Persia Lou said her inspiration came from bright, summery colors and a 70s vibe, and I love it. If we're just looking at the digital files, digital Cricut mystery boxes are a much better value. You get between 60 to 150 licensed images for 30 or 40 bucks. So I would say that Expressions Vinyl, including cut files in their boxes, is a nice perk or bonus, but I wouldn't ever buy the box just for the cut files. Even though the ones I received in this mystery box are very cute and fun, and I really love that they go along with the vinyl that came in the box, you can find cute cut files for a lot cheaper from a lot of different sources. So a nice bonus though, and I'm very excited to use some of these with their vinyl. Expressions Vinyl is not affiliated in any way with Cricut. In fact, I think they mostly work with Silhouette. So these mystery boxes obviously don't come with a Cricut cutie, those cute little plastic guys that come in Cricut mystery boxes, and honestly one of the main draws of those boxes for me. Also, Cricut mystery boxes often include other things besides vinyl, such as tools, mats, pens, infusible ink, blanks. But if I'm really honest, now that I've amassed quite the collection of those things, I don't have to have those kinds of things in a mystery box every time anymore. Don't get me wrong, I have loved getting the Cricut mystery boxes, and I still plan on getting them because I think they're an incredible value and help you grow your stash quickly when you're starting out, which I was. But it's the vinyl that I'm going to run out of fastest and want to replenish. As far as the actual vinyl goes in each mystery box, you're going to get different things with each. Different patterns and types of looks that you can only really get from that company. And I love some of the Cricut patterns I've gotten. So it just depends on what you like. I will say that overall, the Expressions Vinyl is going to be easier to use than a lot of the Cricut vinyl, just meaning that the solids are a little more versatile. And side note, a lot of people speculate that Cricut puts a lot of their clearanced items in their mystery boxes, whereas I know that Expressions Vinyl handpicks coordinating products from their regular inventory, so I don't know, something to consider there. So at this point, I'm definitely going to keep my subscription to the Expressions Vinyl mystery boxes. I want to try it at least a few more times. I was very pleased with what I received in this one. I haven't taken the time to do the really detailed math to see which one gets you the most square inches of vinyl for your money. My rough estimate was that maybe the Expressions Vinyl is a little more expensive actually, but I think the quality is a little higher than some of the things Cricut puts in their mystery boxes. And really, I'm only talking about the holographic vinyl and a couple specialty vinyls from Cricut that I just haven't been a huge fan of. but I'm also addicted to Cricut cuties and love collecting them. So I've made the decision to keep buying Cricut mystery boxes for now. Probably not the cheaper ones that don't have the cutie because budget, and I've got a lot of Cricut vinyl I need to work through right now. But definitely the boxes that have a cutie. I just can't help myself. Alright, I think I will end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. What other questions do you have about these mystery boxes? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram for some project inspiration, and I will see you next time.